Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the APTOS coin, the APT coin that was recently made its appearance on the Binance exchange. So it has gathered a lot of attention, a lot of liquidity, and I think a lot of money is there to be made. And why I like such coins is chiefly because there are lesser number of backholders. The only people holding this coin before the actual launch on Binance would be the private investors and the developers. And by the way, a lot of the tokens are locked till 2023 January, so we have a lot of time to make some money on APTOS while we are in the crypto bear market. So anyway, what you see right now in front of your display, this is a 30-minute chart, but I'll be flipping it to something better because I like to trade on a little bit higher time frames. But since we have very little price history available on this chart, I think we cannot switch to daily or 12-hour or even 8-hour chart to make something meaningful out. So I will be keeping it to 2 hours for simplicity and to get something out of it. Anyway, this is a 2-hour chart, USDT chart, fetched from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, and I'm using few moving averages here. This white one is the 21 simple moving average. This is the 55 simple moving average, and this red one is the 100-day simple moving average. So usually the moving averages act as support as well as resistance. We see that the price previously went from $7.37 and it made a huge pump. It made a 40% return on its initial launch after a couple of days. It went from 7.3 to it crossed $10 in a matter of hours, I would say, and that was pretty amazing. But since then it has been in downfall. But I'll be honest with you, I was trading this coin and I had thought that we have made some floor at this price, $7.67, but once we lost it, we are now hovering, and we're trying to make some support levels we're trying to find some support at $7.2. If you're able to do so, we'll be finding resistance at $7.67, which was our previous support, followed by somewhere around $8, I would say. If you're able to surpass this level, next one to look for will be $8.35, and we actually tapped this very level 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count this 5 times, nearly 5 times, we couldn't do so, and we break down. And that was evident. I should have known, but yeah, poor risk management on my part. After that, if we are able to cross this level, I think the next level to take profits would be $8.72, followed by $9.2 and $9.62. So these are the short-term targets for the APTOS. Feel free to take screenshot if you are doing short-term trades. But what if? Let me take a screenshot as well. Oops. It's not letting me take screenshot. Anyway, let's see what Fibonacci tells us. It will also give us an idea of the levels to look out for after this $10 range. So what I'll do is I remove it, and I'm going to use Fibonacci here. This was the top, and this is the recent bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it a little bit so that you can have an idea of what level to look out for. Okay, so let's see what the Fibonacci levels tell us. So if let's say if we have found bottom at $7.13, the next levels to look out for would be $8.34, $9, $9.72. So these are all similar levels which I had mentioned a minute back, and then $10.32. After that, this is where the things get interesting. So the next level to look out for would be $11, followed by $12.3. And after that, so these are like the midterm targets, I would say. So by midterm, I mean 3-4 weeks to a couple of months. And then to $15. I think if we cross $12 or so, there will be a huge FOMO, and everyone would like to have a bit of APTOS in their portfolio, which can propel us to $15 range or even $20 if huge FOMO kicks in. So these are my midterm targets. But what if something like that doesn't happen? Can we break this support? Like, we have tested these levels many times in the past, and usually I would not like to test these levels again and again, because usually these levels do not sustain, and bad things happen when you keep on banging the doors of these Fibonacci support levels. So if we are not able to sustain these levels, what would happen, right? So let's see. If you're not able to find support at $7.14, we may drop to test $6.15. So $6 level will definitely come if this thing is not, if the $7.2 level is not sustained. I hope it does, because we have potentially formed double bottom on the 2-hour chart here. So we have found some support here, and hopefully I think it's a good time to draw a position. Usually this Halloween time from Halloween till 15th December or Christmas time, we do have a little bit of a Christmas rally, or Halloween rally, whatever you want to call it, and stock markets and any speculative instrument do like to pump and during this time. So I think we have a good chance that we may see a good bounce here, and APTOS would be my favorite in this rally, because again, we have very few back holders compared to something like a Litecoin Dash or Binance Coin or even Bitcoin Cash. They have huge number of back holders from past couple of bull runs. APTOS never experienced a bull run, which is why it is my favorite candidate. So for huge gains, I'll be honest, I'm back holding this with an average price of $7.9, and this would be my favorite if we have a huge pump. Again, have an idea where you would want to exit this trade. My invalidation level would be if we ever close below $7, I'll be out of this trade. I'll take a loss and get out. I would not want to be back holding something that is going down, and especially in times of uncertainty, because while there is potential for a huge rally, you just never know, because things are so uncertain in these market conditions during these times of war and currencies weakening. So you would want to save your portfolio. You need to have some nice capital to buy the dips, and again, if $7 level doesn't sustain, I'll be out, and I'll be looking forward to remake it or re-enter it at 6 something dollars. That's all about it. Hope you like my video. These were my short and medium term targets for the APT coin. If you like this video, give this video a like. That's all I want from you guys, and I'll be making many more videos in the coming days. Bye bye.